Well, good afternoon, everybody, to this meeting on the 16th of March of the Voluntary Early Retirement Redundancy Panel. We've got a full house of attendees this afternoon. So first of all, um, do we have any declarations of interest, please?
I don't know whether it's an interest or not, but I do know one of the people on this report, Mr. Snook from Tonor. I haven't seen him for many years, but I I suppose I did know him many years ago.
Okay, duly noted. Anybody else with anything? I haven't myself. Great. So the minutes of the 11th of February meeting, which I chaired, I'm happy to move those, is correct.
Yeah, I think I'm happy to second those, Chair, subject to any questions from any other committee members.
Okay, great. So thank you very much. So we're now going to pass the resolution excluding the press and the public from the remainder of the meeting.
I move that we pass the resolution, Chair.
Thank you very much.